Thanks again for taking the Quick Start Google Apps Script course, where we showed you how to start working with Google Apps Script, interacting with a Google suite of products. Now, there's a lot of stuff that you can do with Google Apps Script, and we just simply scratched the surface by connecting a few different apps together and doing some basic functionality that's available within the G suite of products. In order to find out more information about what's possible, you can always go over to developers.google.com and selecting out the particular G Suite application that you want to work with, and then trying out all the different available functionality that is available for that particular class. There's a number of code samples as well available on the site. In addition, I have provided a PDF resource guide alongside this course to help you along the way. It includes all of the source code and content covered in the earlier lessons, as well as resources and reference material to help you get started quickly with Google Apps Script. Try the code out for yourself, and that's one of the best ways to learn, is to try the code and see what it does for yourself. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know within the Q&A section of the course. I'm happy to address any questions or comments you may have. Thanks again for taking the course. I'll see you in the next one.